Hello everyone. Do you know what money is? When you buy clothes, toys, food, or books, you have to pay money to get them. So, what is money? Do you want to learn? Come along. Rupee. What is it? You may have seen amounts like 5 rupees, 10 rupees, or 50 rupees. The symbol represents Indian Rupee, which is Indian currency. For example, when you want to buy something, it has a price tag. If it says 100 rupees, you then check how much money you have. If you have 100 rupees, you pay 100 rupees and buy the item. Where does money come from? People work hard at their jobs. After every month, they receive money. This money is called income. To buy anything, we must pay money. Whether it is food, clothes, or toys, the money we use to buy things is called spending. If we don't spend all our income and keep some money aside to buy something big in the future, this is called saving. This is a sign. Many people save money. What are needs? This is the sign. For example, food, water, clothes, and shelter are needs we must have to live. Wants are things we would like to have but are not essential, such as toys, ice cream, or other non-essential items. Also remember, first spend money on your needs and then on your wants. Now, what is budget? It is a plan. For example, you receive 100 rupees, you spend 60 rupees, you are left with 40 rupees. You then plan how much to spend and how much to save. This plan is called budget. What is cash? It is a paper money called note. What are coins? Coins are round pieces of metal. Both cash and coins are physical money that we can use to buy things. Notes are available in 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 and 500 rupees. Coins are available in 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupees, 10 rupees and 20 rupees. People use these notes and coins. Now we have learned about many money concepts, such as the rupee, price tag, income, spending, saving, needs, wants, budget, cash, and coins. After learning these, what comes next? The next time you go shopping with your family and see different price tags, first think, is this a need or want? Then decide whether to buy it. Now we have finished learning. Thank you. See you next time.